Can I ask a question? Why didn't you slice it?
Because
She wants me to work harder.
he's got this. So actually, there's an old Thai saying that the finer a woman can pound their chili paste, the better a wife they would make. I have no idea whether
What does
there
that
is
say? What does that say about you, Chef?
truth to it. I will make a very good wife.
I was going to say.
A host of these river monsters lie waiting. Tam is helping Marco and Luciano prepare a prestigious delicacy of central Thai cuisine, grilled freshwater river prawns.
Okay, so these guys can come off. The eyes will come off. We're gonna take this head off.
Cool. Who wants to be a prawn? Tell me.
The thing about this prawn that Thai people love so much is the fat that's inside the head.
The cream.
Yes. We open this up.
Do all of them have it? Or is it the females that have it?
All of them have it, just depending more or less. Depends on their feed as well, what they eat.
That looks very creamy and very delicious.
What we normally do at the restaurant is we bake this off in the oven very high, and then we scoop it out and we make a sauce with it, which we're gonna be trying. Next thing, we're gonna start grilling these prawns. So if you wanna grab those heads, and we'll go on here.
That's quite clever. And how long will that take?
It should take about 6 to 8 minutes. So with all these, the legs and the scraps, we're just gonna make a quick prawn stock for our curry.
How would you summarize your style of cooking?
What we do at Baan Tepa is we research and discover local ingredients and cuisines, and we use our experiences in the kitchen and techniques that we've learned to come up with something that is a little bit different, a little bit more creative, and just to present something different for the guests. Still trying to remain essentially Thai.
Tam's influence for this is another Central Plains dish famed by the ancient Thai capital, Ayutthaya. Its surrounding rivers are well known for enormous freshwater river prawns. For many Thais, eating them grilled fresh is reserved for a special occasion.
So this is an ingredient that local Thais would drive an hour and a half to Ayutthaya from Bangkok to go and eat.
Are you serious?
As like a family outing on the weekends. This
For
is what they would
celebration.
do. These are considered premium ingredients.
These are expensive.
Yes.
You can see them.
Their second challenge, the curry paste. The central region is famed for its coconut-infused curries, and Tam's base begins with dry spices, black pepper, dried smoked chillies, and galangal.
So let's get started on this chili paste. Lucia, if you can start pounding the dry for me.
Yeah. Is that going in here?
All of that is going in here. yes,
Fantastic.
in there, yeah.
Can I ask a question? Why didn't you slice it?
She wants me to work harder.
He's got this. So actually, there's an old Thai saying that the finer a woman can pound their chili paste, the better a wife they would make. I have no idea whether
What does
there
that
is
say? What does that say about you, Chef?
truth to it. I will make a very good wife.
I was going to say.
Okay, Luci,
Will that
I'm
make it good?
so proud of you. This is incredible.
You just saying that?
No, well,
Okay.
a little bit. You can go a little bit further.
You're quite aggressive, aren't you?
But this is very, very, very fine. Have you pounded chili paste before?
First time.
Wow.
Not a good wife, though.
So, curry.
With Luci's hard-pounded paste ready, it's time to build out the curry.
So, for this part, we're going to be cooking out the curry paste that Luci has pounded in the coconut cream that we've reduced from coconut milk. And we keep adding more coconut milk to it, and we keep breaking it.
So that's the reduced coconut milk.
Yeah, so this is the thicker part of the coconut
That's
milk.
amazing.
You basically have coconut cream and coconut oil, and you can smell that also.
Smells amazing.
This is very important because it will keep drying out, but this process of evaporating all the liquid and breaking the coconut milk is what will cook the curry paste. You will know when you taste a curry where the curry paste is not cooked out properly.
Yeah, of course.
It will be a bit bitter. Yeah, you can taste it now, and then you can taste it later when it's properly cooked. It's kind of bitter, kind of spicy in like not the right way.
But you can see where it's going.
Yeah. I'll have you keep stirring that.
Yeah.
Quick check-in on the prawn heads.
So Chef Marco, if you want to come and take a look at these, this color is really nice, is what we're looking for. Looks like egg yolk.
Well, it's like the perfect sea urchin. It's very beautiful.
So this curry, we're going to season it with pineapple and a herb that we grow in the garden. So these are the gayang leaves that we grow.
They were in your garden today.
Yes. Smells like curry.
Very nice.
Is it almost there?
So what you want to scrape down is the sides, yeah. But once you get the oil coming, like splitting at the top,
Splitting, yeah, you can see it splitting now, can't you?
and the oil has to take color of the curry paste.
Now, a chef's secret and a vital ingredient to authentic Thai cuisine's flavor balance.
Okay, this is a cool ingredient that we use.
God, that grabs the palate. That's sort of delicious in the most dirty way, isn't it?
Yes.
Pure coconut palm sugar. The river prawn curry preparations are heating up.
Oh my God.
That's when you know it's good.
Wow.
That sneeze is when you know that you've cooked the chilies, the garlic, the curry paste to the right amount. It should kick you in the nose and also almost get a reaction from you. So, Chef Marco, if you want to pour some of that stock inside.
I like the way you build your layers of flavour. It's very interesting. For example, little coconut milk reduced down, little coconut milk reduced down,
Yes.
little coconut milk reduced down, little fish stock reduced down. How's that doing?
Yeah, this is going to be good for now.
That's very beautiful. Tam?
When you're like quite happy with that, you can turn that down, and then you can season it with some of this pineapple juice, a little bit of coconut water.
Pineapple first?
Yes, and then coconut water.
Yeah.
I think Marco's got it.
You could drown on deliciousness, couldn't you?
I like that. That would be a good way to go.
The giant river prawns are now ready to grill.
Luci, if you want to grab the little paintbrush, yep. So we're gonna brush these prawns. This is an oil that we make from the shells of the river prawn.
All over, yes?
Yes.
What an extraordinary colour.
So there's a little technique. The natural color of the shells don't get that
Of
right.
course,
We take some skins of the chilies.
because it's got that pimento colour, hasn't it?
Yeah, so you can go ahead and just throw that on.
Now they look good. One a portion in your restaurant? Or half?
Half. 9 courses.
He could probably have 9 by himself.
Yeah.
This is a dish with simple elements, but Tam brings it all together with deft finishing touches.
Okay, let's do another brush of
Yeah.
the prawns.
They look delicious, don't they?
I'm gonna smell good tonight. I'm being smoked out, to be honest.
They're very generous prawns, aren't they? But the way you do it, it's quite beautiful.
And what's the purpose of this?
So
Just for
this is
flavour?
just, yes, the final charring of the prawns to get that intense charcoal grill flavor onto the prawns. You want to do that last one?
Yeah, I'll do the last one.
That's very clever, Chef. It gives it sort of that sort of dirty, smoky.
Yes. All right, so I think we're ready to plate.
I hate waste. chef's perk.
Exactly.
Beautifully cooked, chef.
Chef Lucci over here.
Under your guidance. Should I do the other two for you?
Yes, please.
Next, fat from the prawn heads to add that delicious creamy touch to the curry.
So what's that?
So this is what we grilled earlier. So this is the fat from the head of the prawn.
It's deliciously creamy. Did you put anything else with it?
So inside here, there is oil that we make from the shells and also some egg yolks as well.
So it's almost like making a mayonnaise with it.
Yes.
You're a genius. In the middle of that?
Yes, we can dollop that on the top.
What's that?
So this is the roti.
Oh, wow.
Always curry with roti.
Voila. I like the simplicity of it, but also it's highly technical, and that's why you win Michelin stars. When you can deliver simplicity and make it delicious. Can I eat that?
Absolutely.
The prawn is delicious and beautifully cooked. The curry sauce is very powerful but very delicate. But then the pineapple does two things. It's like a fire extinguisher. It cools your mouth down. And then secondly, it washes the palate. The next mouthful. And this, I like a lot. I love these. You may become my favorite cook in the whole of Thailand. See, the poor boys behind the camera don't know what they're missing.
That's really good, Tam.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
That was better than the wine you gave me, actually.